Hi, welcome to MarineMax and Gulf Shores. My name is DJ Lovall. This is the 208 Sea Pro. This is an 8.4 beam, carries 61 gallons of fuel, and it's under 3,000 pounds. You can tow with any SUV or small truck. Looking at the back deck of a 208. Look at the sides of these live wells that we have, one in each corner, port and starboard. This is equipped with a 150. We have a nice fish box or cooler in the middle, 2 jump seats and rod holders conveniently positioned in the middle. Looking around, we have our rocket launchers, also on the hardtop. Check out this hardtop. We've got integrated speakers, reading lights, map lights. We also have a locked box up top to store your valuables. The helm on this boat is equipped with a Simrad, stainless steel steering wheel, compass in the front. It's got a stereo. Going on the sides here, we have up the port side, we got pads for our rods. Got 6 rod holders there. Coming up front, we have a place to store 8 more rods, 9 feet long. Look how big this front deck is to fish off of. You can also add a pad and bring your family along. If you would, call me at 423-653-8655. My name is DJ. We're here at Gulf Shores MarineMax.